Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Unless we control the base qualities, namely the modes of ignorance and passion, you cannot be happy. It is not possible. Tato rajastamo bhava. Rajastamo bhava means kama and lobha. So long I have lusty desire, and so long I have greediness to acquire more and more and more, to enjoy senses more and more. That is greediness. One should be satisfied the minimum possible. Ahara nidra bhaya vaithunatya samannami tat pasubhi narana. Ahara means eating, ahara, nidya, sleeping, and fearing, and sense enjoyment. These are required, but not for increasing, but decreasing. Just like when a person is diseased, he should not eat as he likes. Because his disease, doctor prescribes that he take little barley water or glucose, no solid food. If you want to be cured, similarly, these things are necessity so long this body is there. Ahara nidra bhayam. But this should be decreased, not increase. That is human civilization. Not to increase, just like the Goswamis in Vrindavan. They did not come here to increase ahara nidra bhayam. No. They came here to decrease. Nidra ahara viharakadi vidito. That is what. This is Vrindavan Bhasa. Not that to live in Vrindavan and increase this ahara nidra bhayam. This is not Vrindavan. The monkeys are also living in Vrindavan, and the dogs are also, and hogs are living in Vrindavan. But they do not know how to decrease ahara nidra bhayam. You see the monkeys, they are also in Vrindavan, but you will find one male monkey followed by 3 dozen female monkeys. That is not Vrindavan Bhasa. Ahara. That means it requires Brahminical culture. Domov, samov. That is what? That is Brahminical culture. Unfortunately, the present civilization, they are not meant for decreasing, they are simply increasing. Western civilization means increasing the means of sense gratification. Machine. So, the Brahminical culture means samo, damo, titikha. Titikha means without something I may suffer. So, one should be practiced to suffer. That is tapasya. Brahmacharyena. Tapasya begins from celibacy. We are practiced to sex life or sex gratification. Tapasya means first of all stops. Tapasya brahmacharyena. This is practice. So, to become fit for going back to home, back to Godhead, it is not so easy. It is not so easy. We have to make our material life almost zero, not almost zero, practically zero. Annavilasitasanam. That is wanted, practice. Therefore, this, our Krishna consciousness center is meant for practicing this samodama titikha. Therefore, we want to see how far he is eligible to practice this samodama titikha. Some new boy comes, and as soon as they are given some work, not very good for sense gratification, they go out. That means they are not prepared. It is better they may go out. In Bengal it is said, Dushta Goru Che Sunna Gwal. If there is troublesome cow, better keep the cows at zero, without cow. Don't allow. So, this Krishna consciousness movement is meant for elevating the animal class of man to the platform of Brahman. Therefore, the sacred thread ceremony is given as second initiation, that he has practiced now samodama titikha arjava, and he has learned what is Krishna, what is he is, what is his relationship with Krishna, now how to act for satisfaction of Krishna. These are Brahminical qualifications. If one is elevated to this platform is called Satogun.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,